everybody to the best Austroflamm Integra channel on the internet. I'm Scott with Off Grid Stoves and More, and today we are putting a customer's user control board on our testing station in order to show you all how a user control board can start malfunctioning and actually become a fire hazard, or at least can create enough discouragement that mama becomes unhappy. And you know what happens when mama becomes unhappy? Nobody's happy. So your user control board for your Integra pre-2006, when it starts malfunctioning, what normally happens is you will lose complete control of your stove, where the potentiometer will just fail. It'll just go out. Okay, and the component back here is what ends up burning out, and then you're going to have to contact us and we're going to have to send you another one. This is a customer's that has been driving him crazy for some time, and he finally got fed up and said, I'm not going through another season with my stove acting up the way that it has been. It would run on low, it would run on high. If he had it set on 50%, he would walk out, he'd come back after a bit, and he might find that the stove is operating on high. Now it's still set on 50% when it's running on high. So what's happening is the voltage is changing inside of the potentiometer, and it's just freaking the stove out to where it doesn't understand where it's supposed to be burning at. Okay, so we said, hey, go ahead and shoot us your user board, and we're going to put it on our test station. We're going to find out exactly what's going on. So here is a user control board that we have refurbished, and it works like brand new. And this is our user control test board that shows the voltage of the potentiometer from low to high. Now, Julie has it set on low right now, and you can see the power there. Point to the power readout, okay, right there, and that's on 0. That's basically on low. Now as she turns it up, she will show you how it will begin to adjust upward and increase the voltage. And as she goes up, go on up to half. When she gets up to about half speed, she's going to be around 2.12 to 2.25, okay, like right there. And as she keeps going up, as she goes all the way up to full speed, she goes all the way up to 5.4. In testing, we also test the on-off switch, okay, and you can see that the auger button is working properly on our test board. Okay, and then it has the power button on our test board that shows that the LED light is operating the way that it should. Okay, now Julie's going to change out to a customer's board. Okay, now Julie just turned it down to 0. Now watch closely as she turns it up. See how it goes backwards?
It's at 0 again.
And it is fluctuating, and she's literally got it up to half to 3/4 of the way, and it's showing 0 voltage. Then all of a sudden it'll kick in, and look at it. She's sitting at 5 point.
Pushed in all the way. There's no broken wires on this.
So this customer's potentiometer is bad, and it is rather dangerous due to the fact that at any time this stove can either turn itself up or turn itself down, and that makes for a very unnerving situation for those out there that understand that you don't want your stove burning on high. Not feeding properly, not enough airflow. Everything happens according to the potentiometer with the Integra One, which means that the combustion fan can run at random speeds. The auger will possibly dump pellets or stop dropping pellets. It all has to do with the user control board. So if you have any of these symptoms, email us at offgridstoves@gmail.com and we'll test your board, or you can go ahead and you can just order a new board on our new e-commerce site, Austroflammparts.com or ricaparts.com, or you can leave us a message on our answering machine at 800-348-1021 and give us 24 hours to get back to you. We have user boards in stock, ready to go, and we wish you all a safe and happy burning season out there. Peace. Looking for quality parts for the Austroflamm, Rica, Premio, Vizio, and more? Visit our new e-commerce site at Austroflammparts.com or ricaparts.com. Thank you for your support.